Hey guys, it is midweek, well Wednesday, about as midweek as you can get, and we are making up another simple and delicious meal, this Cuban-style sauteed ground beef. Few simple ingredients, incredibly easy to put together, do it in about half an hour, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up some oil and add it to a pan over medium-high heat, and this is, about a tablespoon or so. Then go ahead and throw in an LB or a pound of medium ground beef. I'm using medium, but you can use lean or whatever you like. Now we'll just break this up and fry it up until it becomes nicely browned. And this is going to take, I'd say about 5 or 6 minutes. Next up, in with 4 fairly large cloves of chopped garlic, half a chopped onion. Now we'll just stir and saute this until that onion becomes a bit translucent and that ever so wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air. Incidentally, guys, we have a grilled chicken recipe on the barbecue coming up Sunday that you are going to love, so stay tuned. Okay, even though the dish is Cuban, we are going in with a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, another teaspoon of good old cumin. Cumin or cumin? I don't know. A teaspoon of oregano or oregano, a teaspoon of salt, and last but not least, another teaspoon of ground black pepper. Really easy to remember, teaspoon, teaspoon, teaspoon. And we shall just give this a quick stir and fry until that seasoning comes together and activates. And I have to say at this point in time, guys, that aroma, that smell is absolutely intoxicating. Oh, it smells so good. Alrighty then, now in with a medium-sized can of petite diced tomatoes, a couple of tablespoons of red wine vinegar, or you can just use plain old vinegar. Cut it back to about a teaspoon if you do. A quarter cup of raisins, and they're going to add a nice sweetness and touch to the dish. And another quarter or half a cup of green olives. Then grab up our spoon and mix everything together until it is beautifully combined, and boy oh boy, this is looking pretty good. I do done declare that I just love these fast and easy meals. What you want to do at this point in time is just reduce the heat and let this simmer away for about 4 or 5 minutes. After that 4 or 5 minutes, we are done, guys, and doesn't this look absolutely stunningly incredible? Now we are going to serve this up over a bed of brown rice. The rice you use is entirely up to you. I just kind of like the brown. Garnish it up to make it all pretty, like with some freshly chopped parsley straight from the garden. And there you have it, my friends, our Cuban-style sauteed ground beef. Easy and delicious. You are going to love this. Once again, just look at this, guys. What an incredible combination. My favorite time, the taste test. This is really good. What can you lose? Half an hour, midweek meal, the raisins, add that sweetness of the tomatoes, the seasoning, the olives, everything is just absolutely fantastic. The entire family's gonna love this, guys. You gotta make it. I'm gonna have more. So good.